Are tablets finally about to replace your laptop? If you asked me last year, I would have said no. But Samsung is about to flip the entire tech industry upside down. Welcome back to TechVibe, your ultimate destination for the most exclusive tech leaks, deep dives, and gadget breakdowns. Today, we have something massive. We have just received the most authentic, groundbreaking leaks regarding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra, and let me tell you, Apple's iPad Pro team should be seriously panicking right now. We are talking about the complete removal of the display notch, a military-grade titanium build, blindingly bright Tandem OLED technology, and a processor so powerful it is earning the title of the ultimate laptop killer. If you are a professional, a creator, a student, or just someone who demands the absolute best tech on the market, you need to hear this before you spend a single dollar on your next device. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video, because the leaked pricing and release date might completely change your upgrade strategy for this year. This is TechVibe, and let's dive right into the future of tablets. Let's kick things off with the design, because Samsung is completely rewriting the rulebook here. For years, the Galaxy Tab Ultra series has been known for its massive, gorgeous screen, but there was always one glaring flaw that drove tech enthusiasts absolutely crazy: that annoying camera notch. Well, it is finally time to celebrate. The most credible leaks confirm that the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is officially dropping the notch entirely. Samsung is utilizing their second-generation under-display camera technology, giving us a completely uninterrupted, bezel-to-bezel viewing experience. Imagine holding a near 15-inch slab of pure, flawless glass. It is going to look incredibly futuristic. But a device this massive needs to be structurally sound, which brings us to the next massive upgrade, Grade 5 titanium. Just like they did with their flagship smartphones, Samsung is migrating the Tab S12 Ultra to a titanium frame. This is not just for premium marketing, it solves a real-world problem. Tablets of this size are notoriously prone to bending if you toss them into a tightly packed backpack. The new titanium chassis makes the S12 Ultra significantly more rigid, drop-resistant, and remarkably, even lighter than last year's S11 Ultra. You are getting a device that feels indestructible in the hands but will not weigh you down during your daily commute or international flights. The brushed titanium finish, likely available in sleek shades of phantom black and titanium gray, will scream premium from a mile away. But the frame is just the housing for the real star of the show. Let's talk about the display, because this is where Samsung is looking to absolutely crush the competition. We all know Apple recently made the jump to OLED on their iPad Pros, but Samsung, the undisputed king of display manufacturing, is striking back hard. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is reported to feature a breathtaking 14.6-inch Tandem OLED display. For those who aren't display nerds, Tandem OLED essentially stacks two light-emitting layers together. What does this mean for you? It means unparalleled brightness, insane color accuracy, and a drastically longer lifespan without the risk of screen burn-in. We are hearing rumors of peak brightness hitting an astonishing 3000 nits. Whether you are editing HDR video on a sunlit patio in Los Angeles or reviewing architectural blueprints on a bright construction site, this screen will be flawlessly visible. The contrast ratios will be infinite, giving you deep, inky blacks and vibrant colors that make movie watching an absolute cinematic dream. Plus, it will retain the buttery smooth 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, meaning every swipe, scroll, and S-Pen stroke will feel instantaneously responsive. This is not just a tablet display, it is a reference-grade monitor that you can slide right into your briefcase. Now, a beautiful screen is absolutely nothing without the horsepower to back it up, and the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is packing a serious punch under the hood. While last year's base Tab S11 featured the MediaTek Dimensity chip, leaks strongly indicate that Samsung is bringing Qualcomm back for the Ultra model with the highly anticipated next-generation flagship processor, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, or what some insiders are referring to as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. This is a game-changing piece of silicon. Built on an ultra-efficient 3nm process, this processor is designed to rival desktop-class chips. We are looking at unprecedented single-core and multi-core benchmark scores that are aiming directly at Apple's M-series silicon. But what truly makes this a laptop killer is the memory configuration. Leaks suggest the top-tier configuration of the S12 Ultra will feature an unbelievable 24GB of RAM. Let that sink in. 24 gigabytes of RAM in a tablet. You will be able to run desktop-grade video editing software, render high-resolution 3D models, manage 50 active Chrome tabs, and have a Zoom call running simultaneously without a single stutter or dropped frame. To keep all this power from melting the device, Samsung has reportedly engineered a massive new vapor chamber cooling system specifically designed for the tablet form factor, ensuring sustained peak performance even during intense gaming sessions or massive file exports. Of course, raw power means nothing if the software holds it back. Android on tablets has historically been a mixed bag, but Samsung is leaping light years ahead with the introduction of Galaxy AI 3.0 and the brand new Neural DeX. We all know Samsung DeX, the feature that turns your tablet user interface into a desktop-like experience. But Neural DeX is rumored to be a complete overhaul powered by on-device artificial intelligence. The interface will intuitively adapt to your specific workflow. It will intelligently manage window snapping, anticipate the applications you need before you even open them, and seamlessly integrate your smartphone and Windows PC into one unified ecosystem. Imagine dragging and dropping a massive video file from your phone directly into an editing timeline on your tablet with zero latency. Furthermore, Galaxy AI 3.0 is bringing mind-blowing features to the table. We are talking about real-time, on-device translation for video calls, intelligent note summaries that can format your messy handwriting into corporate-ready PDF reports, and generative AI photo editing that works instantaneously without needing a cloud connection. The Tab S12 Ultra is not just a passive tool, it is actively working as your digital assistant, anticipating your needs and streamlining your entire workflow. We cannot talk about a Galaxy Tab without discussing the S Pen, and yes, it is getting a massive upgrade of its own. Meet the rumored S Pen Pro 3. For the first time, Samsung is supposedly integrating advanced haptic feedback directly into the stylus. When you are drawing on that massive Tandem OLED screen, the S Pen will vibrate with micropulses to simulate the exact feeling of a pencil scratching on paper, or a marker gliding over canvas. For digital artists, this tactile response is the holy grail of digital illustration. It will also feature new ultra-low latency algorithms, making the ink flow directly from the tip with zero perceivable delay. And for the productivity-focused users, Samsung is reportedly redesigning the book cover keyboard. We are hearing about a new premium trackpad with glass surfacing and full haptic click response, completely rivaling the feel of premium laptops. The keyboard will include a dedicated Galaxy AI key, giving you instant access to generative tools, smart search, and contextual assistance no matter what application you are currently running on the screen. With all this power, brightness, and AI processing, battery life is naturally a huge concern for heavy users. Fortunately, Samsung is not cutting any corners here either. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is expected to house a colossal battery, potentially exceeding 12,000 mAh. Thanks to the extreme power efficiency of the new Snapdragon processor and the Tandem OLED panel, you can confidently expect all-day battery life even under the heaviest workloads. And when you finally do need to plug in, you will not be tethered to the wall for long. Leaks point to a major upgrade in charging speeds, jumping up to an incredible 80-watt fast charging. For a battery this massive, that means you could potentially get a 50% charge in just 30 minutes, getting you back to work, gaming, or creating faster than ever before. So, the burning question remains, when can you get your hands on this absolute beast, and how much is it going to hurt your wallet? Based on recent global certification listings and the traditional Samsung release cycle, the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is slated for a mid to late 2026 launch. We are likely looking at Samsung's second major unpacked event of the year, usually held around August or September. As for pricing, premium innovation comes at a premium cost. With the addition of the titanium chassis, Tandem OLED display, and next-generation silicon, you should brace yourself for a slight price bump. We expect the base model of the Tab S12 Ultra to start around $1,200 to $1,300, with the maxed-out 24GB RAM and 1TB storage version pushing closer to the $2,000 mark. While that is undeniably expensive, remember what you are actually paying for. This is not just a simple media consumption device, it is a full-fledged portable workstation that could legitimately replace both your laptop and your digital canvas. The tablet wars are heating up like never before, and Samsung is making a bold statement that they are not just here to compete, they are here to absolutely dominate the market. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is shaping up to be a true technological marvel, permanently blurring the lines between a tablet and a desktop computer. But now, I want to hear from you. Does the removal of the notch and the addition of the new titanium frame make this an instant buy for you? And more importantly, do you think the S12 Ultra finally has what it takes to permanently replace your daily laptop? Drop your thoughts, debates, and predictions down in the comments section below. I read every single one of them. If you found this deep dive helpful and want to stay ahead of the curve on all things tech, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to TechVibe with notifications turned on, so you never miss our exclusive leaks, reviews, and tech breakdowns. Until next time, keep upgrading, keep exploring, and I will catch you in the next video.